The Finance Minister, Audley Shaw, outlines a $13 billion revenue package. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the opposition accuses the government of reneging on its no new taxes election promise.
Higher income earners to pay more taxes.
Financial analysts weigh on today's budget presentation.
And what do Jamaicans think about the revenue measures and income tax threshold plan? Western Jamaica weighs in.
And in the business day, several companies, including Grace Kennedy, report increased profits.
There's also sports commentary, and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you think the tax package is fair?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.